Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go here to the phone application, and right there on the right upper corner tap to the three dots and go to the settings. Right here you will see the blocked number section. Tap here, and as can you see, we got here a block number. Just to remove this number from the blacklist, tap here to this icon and confirm to unblock that. As can you see, this number is unblocked. If you want to add the number here, just tap here to the add number and type here this number. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.